Welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we're going to learn how to add a robots.txt file to your WordPress site. This simple yet powerful file helps search engines understand how to crawl your site. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly cover what a robots.txt file is. This file instructs web crawlers on how to interact with your site. For instance, you can tell them which pages to crawl and which ones to ignore. This can help with your site's SEO and protect sensitive information. To add a robots.txt file, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. You should see your site's overview here. One of the easiest ways to manage your robots.txt file is by using a plugin. We are using the Rank Math SEO plugin. If you haven't installed Rank Math yet, let's do that first. Go to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Plugins and click on Add New. Search for Rank Math SEO and click Install Now, then Activate. Once Rank Math is activated, you'll see a new menu item on the left sidebar. Click on Rank Math and then go to Dashboard. Here you can enable various modules, but for now, let's focus on the robots.txt. Now, click on General Settings under the Rank Math menu, and then select Edit robots.txt. Here you can either create a new robots.txt file or edit the existing one. Rank Math provides a simple editor where you can input your rules. For example, if you want to block all crawlers from accessing your WP admin folder, you would add the following line: user agent *disallow /WP admin /. Once you've added the necessary rules, make sure to click Save Changes. It's that easy. And that's it. You've successfully added a robots.txt file to your WordPress site using Rank Math SEO. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more SEO tips and tricks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.